In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep client testimonials and case studies organized in just 5 minutes. Keeping your client feedback well organized is essential for maintaining a smooth workflow and ensuring you can easily access important testimonials whenever the need arises. We'll be using Notion, a versatile tool that allows you to manage your workplace efficiently. First, make sure you are connected to your workspace in Notion. This is your go-to platform for managing wikis, documents, and projects. If you're new to Notion, it's helpful to familiarize yourself with its straightforward and user-friendly interface. Now, let's get started by heading over to the Notion website and logging into your account. You'll find the Login button prominently featured on the top right of your screen. If you haven't created an account yet, you should see an option to sign up, which is just as easy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Notion homepage. From this space, you can access all your existing projects or start something new. For this tutorial, we are going to create a brand new page. Simply look for the Create a New Page option on your sidebar and click on it. Creating a new page allows you to customize the space according to your needs, which is perfect for organizing client testimonials and case studies. Now, with your page ready, it's time to create a database. A database in Notion is a powerful way to store information systematically. Look for the option to create a database and click on it. This will allow you to establish a central location for all the crucial client information you plan to gather. With your database set up, the next step is to add properties. Think of properties as the columns in your database, a way to categorize the information you'll be storing. To add a property, simply click on Add Property. Now, consider what kinds of information are most important to you. Perhaps it'd be the client's name, the date of the testimonial, or maybe even the type of service you provided. Organizing this way ensures you capture all necessary details and makes it easier to sort through later. To take it a step further, let's look into Add Type. Clicking on Add Type lets you specify the kind of data held in each property, whether it's text, date, files, or a checkbox. Being precise with your data types helps enhance clarity and makes your database more functional. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've taken significant strides towards organizing your client testimonials and case studies efficiently using Notion. Not only does this make your day-to-day operations smoother, but it also ensures that each valuable client experience is recorded for future reference and analysis. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing!